Hi guys, it's De'Anne and Chrystel. We're here with Empowered Mind. We provide resources about health, wellness, and self-development so that you can become the best version of yourself. Hi guys, we are so excited. We're going to be talking about a really important topic. It's called affirmations and why affirmations are so important in getting you the results and making you feel the way that you want to feel. And Chrystel will give you more details on that.
Yes, absolutely. I agree. Affirmations is very important. And today we're talking about affirmations, what it is, and how to use it effectively. Um, Basically, an affirmation is a very powerful statement and it allows you to kind of subconsciously be in control of your thoughts. And the reason why this is important is because there's research that about 80% of our 50,000 subconscious thoughts are actually negative each day. So, an affirmation will help us to, just affirm ourselves by declaring that positive thought whenever we think of something negative. So basically, where do you start and how do you create these statements? The first thing to do is you need to start off by saying I am, right? And this is basically just giving your subconscious mind the command when you're speaking in the present tense. So you're speaking as if you already have what you're envisioning. So start off by saying I am. And then the second thing is try to stay away, no, not try, stay away from the negative statements, right? So there's no I won't or I can't or, you know, anything like that. Take those out and instead you're going to use positive words like I have, I know, I can, and then you're going to make it very brief because you want to be able to remember your affirmation statement. So you want to make it very brief and use positive phrases, and then make sure you write it down. It's very important. Write down your statement so it's clear and that you can see it. And those are really the three tips. Just number one, make sure that you say I am, you use the present tense. Number two, make sure that you use positive words, stay away from the negative words. And number three, write it down. So, one quick example of an affirmation statement that you can use is just basically saying, I always choose healthy food. Whenever you think of eating something you know you shouldn't, just say, I always eat healthy foods, or I am always choosing to be healthy. Say something to kind of fix that negative thought that you may have in your mind whenever you think of going for that donut or, whatever it is that you shouldn't be eating. You shouldn't be eating that 10th one today. So basically, you're kind of just reprogramming your mind to get rid of the negative thoughts. And so finally, we just want to challenge you all to consistently do or say your affirmation statement every single day for the next 21 days. And we would love to know if it helped you in any way, shape, or form. So I hope you guys take up this challenge and I hope you try this for 21 days. Just say that one affirmation statement, or you can say different affirmation statements, but just try to declare something positive over yourself each day when you think of something negative. And as a reminder, we have a 31-day affirmation chart that we can share with you guys. If you'd like it, send us a note and we will send it over to you. So I hope you guys found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.
Have an awesome day, guys. Thank you so much.